Good day everyone. My name is Dave Lawrence Robles from UMS 11YA-5. Ang tuturo ko sa inyo ay operation of function.
Function operation are rules that we follow to solve function. There is a certain way to deal with the addition, multiplication, and division of function. Addition: f plus g of x is equals f of x plus g of x. Subtraction: f minus g of x equals f of x minus g of x.
So yun guys, ang f of x natin is 5x negative 2. Ang g of x natin is 3x positive 7. So ito yung formula. F plus g of x. Ipag-ano nyo lang sila. F of x plus g of x. Tapos isusulat na natin ang f of x. Negative 2. Tapos plus g of x. 3x plus 7. Tapos combine like terms na natin sila. 5x plus 3x is 8x. Negative 2 plus positive 7. Positive 5. Positive 5. Ito na yung sagot natin sa addition sa f of x. So yun guys, naman tayo, subtraction tayo. F of x, 5x negative 2, g of x natin is 3x plus 7. So ipagpa-plus natin sila, f of x minus g of x. Tapos i-ano natin yung dalawang numbers, 5x negative 2 negative 3x positive 7. Then yung positive gagawin natin negative. 5x negative 2 3x plus 7. So solve na natin. 5x minus 3x 2x. Negative 2 minus negative 7 is negative 9. So, ito na yung answer natin sa subtraction. Guys, another example tayo sa addition ulit. Addition. And f of x natin is 2x negative 6. And ang g of x natin is 3x plus 7. Ang formula natin, f of x plus g of x. So, lagay na natin yung numbers. 2x minus plus 3x plus 7. So, ipag-combine like terms na natin sila. 2x plus 3x 5x negative 6 plus positive 7 is positive 1. Ito na ang ating sagot. So yung guys, subtraction naman tayo ngayon. Ang formula natin is f of x minus g of x. Kaganina, f of x positive g of x tayo. Kasi addition yan, subtraction. Ang gagawin naman natin ngayon is sulat natin yung numbers. 2x minus 6, then parenthesis minus 3x plus 7. Then distribute the negative. 2x minus 6 minus 3x minus 7. Papalitan lang natin yung positive ng negative kasi negative tayo. Then combine like terms. 2
So yun guys, nagkamali tayo dito kaya kinat natin.
2x minus 3x is negative x. Then negative 6 minus negative 7 is negative 30. Ito na yung sagot natin. Negative x minus negative x and minus 13. So yung guys, another example tayo ng f of x and g of x. Ito ang ating isosolve. And then, ang ibig sabihin ng f plus g of x is f of x plus g of x. So, ang gagawin natin, ilalagay natin ng f of x is 2x squared minus 3x plus 7 plus ang g of x natin is x squared plus 5x negative 3. And guys, i-combine like terms na natin sila. 2x squared plus x squared is 3x squared. Check next naman, negative 3 plus positive 5 is positive 2x. Then ang 7 plus negative 3 is positive 4. So yun na ating sagot. So guys, subtraction naman tayo ngayon. Kanina, ano tayo? Addition. Tapos ngayon, mag-subtract naman tayo ngayon. So, lagay natin. Yung given natin is ito. Yung kaganina. Then, lagay na natin. F of x is negative g of x. 2 negative 3x plus 7 negative x squared plus 5x negative 3 x. So ngayon, tinopya lang natin yung f of x at yung g of x. Then, tatanggalin na natin yung groupings nila. Gagawin natin negative yung positive. So, 2x plus 7. Then, minus x negative x squared negative 5x then positive 3 kasi papalitan natin ng negative ng positive. Yung negative papalitan natin ng positive. Combine like terms. 2x squared minus x squared is x squared na lang. Then negative 3x
example tayo ng f of x and h of x naman tayo. And ang formula niyan, h of x negative f of x. Subtraction tayo ngayon guys. Sulat muna natin yung h of x. 2x plus 8. Then, negative 3x plus 4. Yung parenthesis na natin sila. Then, distribute the negative. 2x plus 8. Negative 3. Negative 3 to x. Then, combine like terms. 2x minus 3x is negative x. 8. Ay, negative pala ito guys. Negative. Negative na negative. 8 plus 8. Negative 4 is positive 4. So, ito yung sagot.
Thank you so much everyone. Thank you sa panonood.